quick thought, you know, energy. We energy. We energies. We energies. We keeping it real. Energies. Yeah, energies. Energy and motion. Being that of our emotions. Having that healthy balance of our emotion. Not being afraid to express, you know, that sadness, that anger, you know, that happiness, that joy. Something great happened, hey, celebrate, do your thing. Just because somebody look at you weird, it don't matter. And if something happened, it get underneath your skin a little bit, peel your nails back, just let a little bit of anger out. I mean, I'm not saying go wild with it, hurt anybody or hurt yourself, but have a healthy way to express that emotion, let that emotion out. Most definitely. So yeah, energies with the energies, keeping it real. Peace, peace and harmony. Stay in tune, living with that heart frequency. Most definitely. Out here in nature, got some people in the park. Looks like they're doing a photo shoot back down over there. Anyways, stay in tune.